Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice on Discord mobile. So if you want to have fun by changing your voice on the Discord voice call or maybe in a group or server, you can just follow these steps right here to change your voice. First, you need to download a voice changer app on your Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are using iOS. So you can go to the Play Store, click on search, and then just find a voice changer application. You can see there will be lots of voice changer applications that you can use on your device. For example, here I'm going to use this one, Video Voice Changer Effects. You can first download and install it on your device and just wait until the installing process is finished. Okay, so the voice changer application has been installed. Now you need to open the voice changer application first, and then you can just follow the steps in here. Now you can just tap on this microphone icon, and then you can switch the application. So you can go back to the Discord application. In here you can click on your profile, go to the Discord settings at the top right corner, scroll down, and you'll find the voice settings under the app settings. In here, click on this and tap on the input mode and change it to the voice changer. And also for the output, change it into a headset or headphone. Now you can just now your voice will be changed. You can use it for voice call or other things that you want to do on the Discord mobile. So you can if you don't want this application, you can always use any other voice changer applications that you find easier or maybe helpful for you. You can use this one, or this one, and then you can download and install it and follow the same steps. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can change voice on the Discord mobile. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks and subscribe. Bye.